faces, new rotation, dropping ins to see if you're a sit